Best herbs for an outdoor herb garden. 1. Basil. There are different kinds of basil you can grow in your herb garden, like sweet basil, lemon basil, and purple basil. This herb is very sun-loving. In summer, basil grow very well. 6 to 8 hours of sunlight is necessary for the optimal growth of basil plants. When the plant of basil reaches 6 to 8 inches in height, then start harvesting the leaves. 2. Chives. Chives is also a very sun-loving herb. The plants of chives require constant watering for a good yield. Do not let the flower ripen. If it does, the flower spread the seeds and all your herb garden will be covered with chives plants. It is a perennial herb, so you don't have to sow the seeds every growing season. 3. Cilantro, coriander. Cilantro is the leaf and coriander is the seed of the plant. Both can be used in various dishes. You need to water the seedlings of cilantro on a regular basis. Only seedlings need a little high moisture level, not the adult plant, so do not overwater when plants are fully established. Keep a distance of 6 inches between two plants, so each plant can produce healthy leaves. 4. Oregano. Oregano can be grown from seeds, seedling or cuttings. Plants are very sun-loving. The plants of oregano can survive drought conditions and lower fertilize the soil, which makes them very hardy plants. Oregano is perfect for a beginner. 5. Parsley. Parsley is a perfect herb for sauces, salads, and soups. The plants and seedlings of parsley need plenty of water for better growth. Do not overwater them. 6 to 8 hours of sunlight is great for parsley. 6. Peppermint. Peppermint plants require full sunlight, high-level moisture, and good drainage of the soil. A single plant of peppermint can spread in each corner of your herb garden. So it is best to grow peppermint in the container. If you want to grow in a raised bed or in ground, you will need plastic edging to stop the roots of plants to spread in your whole kitchen garden. 7. Rosemary. This one is also a perennial herb. In an area with full sunlight and a good level of humidity, rosemary plants can grow up to 4 feet in height and become shrub. Do not overwater the plants and give them enough space to grow and spread. Pruning is a good habit for this herb. 8. Sage. You can grow sage in shade, but the tastiest leaves of sage are very sun-loving. So if you want tasty leaves, grow sage in full sunlight. A well-drained soil, little watering is good for sage plants. 9. Thyme. Thyme is also a perennial herb. About 50 varieties of different flavors of thyme are available. Overwatering of thyme plants can be lethal because they are drought-loving. This herb is also sun-loving. The plant can grow up to 6 to 12 inches tall. Thyme and rosemary are great companions. Check out how to build an outdoor herb garden. Link in the description box.